So over here you can see that I have an image right here, and let's say what I want to do is I want to go ahead and invert out the colors for this particular image. In that case, you can simply go ahead and select out this image right here, and then go around under effects, and then go around over here on to transform, and here you can see that invert colors is an option. So once I go ahead and apply it, you can see that invert color is applied. Let me just go ahead and tick, and you can see that the inverted colors has been applied just like that. And that is it. So this is what you have, as you can see, and you can enable and disable the invert colors option right here. There's not much to it. There's no sliders or anything. So this is simply how you can go ahead and work around with the invert colors, as you can see, just like this. So you have more images right here. Let's say, for example, I'm simply going to go ahead and select out this image. Let's say, for example, I can simply go ahead and let's say, for example, go to effects. Then I can go around over here on to transform, invert colors, and that is simply what you have. So that is how you can utilize the invert colors effect inside of Corel Draw. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.